Wrestling Rampage here, back with another video.
We are back right here on Wrestling Rampage with another video. Today is not a wrestling video for you guys right now. We are trying the Halloween Whopper.
That's right, the Halloween Whopper.
As you guys know, Burger King has this thing where it's a burger with a black bun and A1 sauce and all that good stuff. We're here to try it, see how it is. I know that Jim and I
888
actually did a video on it and
asked the YWC to try the Halloween Whopper.
So we're going to try the Halloween Whopper.
Right.
Give me a fry. But anyway, we're going to try this and see how it is.
Alright. Gonna try the Halloween Whopper.
And if you're new to our channel, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/WrestleRampage2. Follow us on Twitter @WrestleRampage. And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. We got some great videos, a variety of videos too.
Right.
We do everything here. Right here on YouTube on Wrestling Rampage.
That's right.
So I guess we'll get started on
I
this.
guess we'll get started trying the Halloween Whopper. And you can see it is black.
That is really odd.
So,
as you can tell, it is black. And, well,
let's try it.
give it a try, I guess.
It's good.
You can taste the A1.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah. It's really good.
I'm usually not a Burger King fan, but this is pretty good.
Yeah, it is. It's actually really good. Yeah, I can taste it. It's really good. I recommend you all to try, everyone in the YWC to try the Halloween Whopper.
It is really, really good.
Yes.
It's really good. I was actually skeptical because of it having a black bun. It was just weird. But I'm gonna take off a piece of this bun.
It's good.
Yeah, it just tastes like a regular bun.
Yeah, it's really good.
It is really good. Yeah, so if you're hungry, go out to Burger King and get you the Halloween Whopper.
That's right.
It is actually really, really good.
It's really good. It's really surprising.
And with that being said, make sure you like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/WrestleRampage2. Follow us on Twitter at WrestleRampage. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because we have some more great video content coming up. That's right. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and finish these Whoppers, and you guys have a great day.
That's right.